It is important to understand the difference between linking to a sheet within a workbook or a different workbook and the default behavior of Excel. So over here, you'll see if I go equals and I click on a sheet within, I say enter. When I copy it across, notice the numbers change. I'm just going to delete it. When I say equals, I'm now going to link over here, which is a different workbook. And when I copy it across, notice the numbers stay exactly the same. The reason for this is the default behavior. When I go here, equals, and within a sheet, notice dollar signs aren't there. So this is a relative reference. So when I copy across, it moves across. If I do the same thing, but I go to another workbook, notice as I click it, can you see it gives the full reference, but now by default, dollar signs are put on. So when you copy across, you think you're going February, March, April, Excel is going to stay on January. So just be careful when you go across to a new workbook, just decide whether you do or don't want those dollar signs.